Welcome back, Crammers, to question 3. Here's a list of 6 numbers written in order of size. So that means x is the smallest and 12 is the largest. The numbers have a range of 9, a median of 8, and a mode of 10. Find the value of x, y, and z. First off, the range of 9 is the easiest one to do here because range is largest minus smallest. So range is already given as 9. The largest here is 12 and the smallest is x. So if we bring x here and 9 to the other side, we have x is equal to 12 minus 9, or x is equal to 3. We can write this here to simplify a little bit. Moving on, the median is 8 and the mode is 10. We know that z is greater than y. So that means it has to be 10. Why? Because 10 is the mode. So it has to be repeated at least once. So either y is 10 or z is 10. And since y is smaller than z, then that means z has to be 10. So z will be 10 here. The median is the middle two combined and divided by 2. So we have y plus z divided by 2 is equal to 8. We already found what z was, so y plus 10 divided by 2 is equal to 8. We can multiply both sides by 2. This cancels out, times 2. Y plus 10 is equal to 16. Bring 10 to other side, so we have y is equal to 16 minus 10, or y is equal to 6. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.